Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will learn how to see sent Instagram photos. The first thing to mention is that it is not possible for now to see images sent on Instagram again under the temporary or self-destruct mode. With this video, we can see Instagram photos sent normally in any conversation. To do this, we will start by opening Instagram and clicking on the direct messages icon. After this, click on the chat where the photograph you are looking for would be. In a short conversation, it will be easy to find the image we are looking for, but if your conversation is long, it can be somewhat more complicated. Therefore, we are going to click on the user's name within the conversation. Once inside the options of that user, we will look at the content that appears at the bottom. As in this case, we are interested in the images sent, we are going to click on the second icon we see. Now we can see all the photos and videos that we have shared with that user. If you want to save the image again, tap on it first. Then you will see at the top a download button that you must press to save the image back to your gallery. Another option you can use is to download your Instagram information with all the conversation images at once. To do this, open the top drop-down menu and then tap on Your Activity. Next, click on Download Your Information. And in the next window, you will have to request a download. We will choose the type of download we want, either complete or filtering the elements that interest us. In this case, we will select the messages and continue the process. We then verify the export data, accept the request, and wait until the download is ready. Once it is completed, you can download your information where the photographs sent in the Instagram messages will be included. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.